In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can know if you've been unfriended or deleted on Snapchat. Okay, so to check this, you need to go to the friend who you suspect has removed you as a friend. So to do that, you can see all the options at the bottom bar. Go ahead, tap on the chat icon, and then you can go ahead, and if you've recently chatted to that specific friend, go ahead and tap on their profile. And then once you're on their profile, you can see it has their profile icon, their name, and then on the right hand side of the username there, it has a number. So 7156 in this situation on this specific friend's profile. Now, if they have removed you as a friend on Snapchat, what's going to happen is that score is going to disappear and it's not going to show a score. So it's just going to have their name without a number next to it. So if the number has disappeared, then you know that friend has removed you as a friend on Snapchat, and that is how you can make sure. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.